Hello, my name is Dr. Dylan Remick with HealthSource Chiropractic, and we have Miss Angie here today, who's nice enough to share her chiropractic story. So Angie, tell us a little bit about how you were feeling before you came into the office.
Well, I travel a lot for my job, so sitting, planes, and rental cars, and sitting was difficult. After about 5 minutes, I would get very, very sore and stiff. It was hard for me to check my blind spot, but and I just was using Advil and trying to deal with it.
Okay.
But the last long flight I had from Atlanta to Hawaii, it was unbearable. So it was a week later I came in to see you.
For the lower back.
For the lower back and just overall stiffness too.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah.
Good.
And then my ear, actually wasn't hearing very well out of my ear, and I went to the ENT and audiologist, and the next step would have been an MRI to see if there was something wrong. And I just happened, that was the same week that I came in here, and about a week after that, the ringing was gone and I was hearing just fine. Cool. Yeah.
So how did you hear about our office?
Well, I was at a, I think it was Pequot Days, some kind of festival up in Pequot Lakes. Okay. And actually we stopped and got a massage, free massage, of course. I said yes, and I signed up, and yeah, you guys sent me a little coupon, so I came in with a coupon. Cool. And there we go.
So, what did we do or say that made you want to start care?
Everybody is so knowledgeable about muscles and about, you know, what your core does for you and what your legs do for you, and it's all intertwined. So I was very impressed with that. The other thing is I told you what I was nervous about, and you hit all of my issues right away. You just said it's not going to be like you've heard. You're not going to get addicted to chiropractic, because that's what I said when I first came in here. And I'm not. It's great because I'm doing the exercises and I'm doing them at home too, and it's an overall kind of health. So
how
it impressed me.
How do you feel now compared to where you were when you first came?
I'm about 95% better than when I first came. I can do everything. I don't have any issues golfing. I don't have any issues going for walks with the kids or be on the bike. And I can keep going. My stamina is getting bigger and bigger. So.
Can you sit longer?
I can sit for a lot. And I'm sure the people at work are very happy about that.
What would you say to somebody that was like you, that was skeptical, didn't know if chiropractic could work, and they're not sure if it'd be the best thing for them? What would you tell them? I would tell them, and I have told them, to come in and talk to you. And because you do such an overall, you know, you talk about life, you talk about stress, you talk about muscles, you talk about, you know, all of these different things, vitamins, and your nutrition, and you talk to people and you really seem to care about me and my whole overall health. So I would say to them to come in and just sit down and talk, get the x-ray, do that first consultation, and just learn about what's going on with your body and try to connect all the dots. Cool. Well, thanks.
You're welcome.
If any of you guys had problems like Angie and are unsure of chiropractic, listen to her. Come get checked out. There's no reason for you having to stay, but it's at least a way to find out how your health is. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 218-454-9355.